Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Transcription number 419 at the speed of 100 word per minute. Be ready for the dictation. Start. Sir, in October 1991, reports were received indicating that the Uttar Pradesh government had acquired certain land in the Ram Janam Bhoomi Babri Masjid complex. Immediately, a report was called from the state government, and I personally wrote to the Chief Minister on 15th October 1991, drawing his attention to the various repercussions of the reported land acquisition and requesting him to take a fresh look at the desirability of the proposed acquisition, keeping in view particularly the pending court cases and the sensitive nature of the controversy. Replies were received from the state government and the chief minister himself. According to these replies, the land had been acquired for the purpose of development of tourism and providing amenities to the pilgrims at Ayodhya. The replies also assured that the state government has taken the necessary steps for ensuring the safety of the Ram Janambhoomi Babri Masjid structure. With a view to diffusing the situation and finding a solution, the Prime Minister convened a meeting of the National Integration Council on 2nd November 1991. The Supreme Court also passed an order on 15th November 1991 taking note of the interim order passed by the High Court and also of the assurance given by the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh in the meeting of the National Integration Council held on 2nd November 1991, which were taken as representation to the court. From time to time, the central government's concern regarding the scrutiny of the Ram Janam Bhoomi Babri Masjid structure was brought to the notice of the UP Chief Minister by me. I wrote to him on 13th November 1991, 26th December 1991, and 10th January 1992, drawing his attention inter alia to the need to make adequate security arrangements for the Ram Janam Bhoomi Babri Masjid structure and prevent any damage to it during the religious festivals when large crowds were expected to gather at Ayodhya, and requesting him also to restore some of the barricades which had reportedly been removed in the Ram Janam Bhoomi Babri Masjid complex. The UP Chief Minister stated in one of his replies that the necessary scrutiny steps had been taken keeping in mind the local circumstances of the situation. Stop.